motivates you? Would you believe today I was motivated by a pile of, well, shall we say, Hi, this is Elaine Lung. I'm at Rancho San Antonio Park in beautiful Santa Clara County, California, in Silicon Valley. I was doing a morning hike today, and I was reminded of a very entertaining speech a member of my Storytelling Toastmasters Club told last night. And it was about hiking in a park. And parks around here, if you can see this, I'll give you a close-up later, but they are what we call mountain lion habitat. And there's a close-up of that sign. And you can see on that sign, it says if you encounter a mountain lion, you need to make yourself appear larger. So at last night's meeting, a member, Chun Li, gave a very entertaining speech about when she was hiking. And she encountered, well, I don't want to steal her punchline, but during her hike, to encounter what she thought was a mountain lion, she stepped in a pile of excrement. And you think the trails around here, there's so many more wildlife, wild open spaces as you can see rather than trails, but no, animals seem to like to use the trails as well as the wild areas for depositing excrement, shall we say. So when you're hiking around here, you've just got to keep your eyes open and your head on the trail. Otherwise, like her, you'll be stepping in something soft and squishy. So today I was hiking, and every day I've been on this trail to try to just get a little better, whatever I can do. And I reached the point where I just needed 3 minutes more, just 3 minutes more to be better than yesterday. And I saw a tree up ahead, and guess what was under the tree? It was a pile of excrement. And I thought of Chun Li, and I thought, I can do this. Because she's out there hiking, and that's why we do this. So I went and pushed a little further, and I got to that pile, but I didn't step in it, fortunately. And I even went a little further because I was so jazzed. So my point is this, is that we're storytelling, and we're telling stories that are important to us. It was just a simple story she told about a hike and a case of mistaken identity and maybe even a couple things that went wrong. But that simple story stuck with me overnight,